This is the DEWALT DCE088 10.8 volt self-leveling laser level. As the name suggests, it now runs on the already existing 10.8 volt battery platform. So the benefit for me as an end user is it's much cheaper to run. Gone are the days of running out of batteries, gone are the days of running down to the corner shop to buy a packet, which if you pay £2 a time, 50 weeks a year could cost you £100. I've now saved all that money by being able to run this on my existing battery platform. There are two models available. One has a red laser level and the second has a green. As you can see behind me, we have the two lines, and as the video will probably highlight, green is much brighter and green is much easier to see. As with the existing DEWALT laser, it comes on a magnetic back piece, which means that we can magnetise it to a metal struts. Or similarly, if we're working in an area where we've just had finished plaster work or finished paint work, over a corner bead, the magnets are strong enough to literally hold it in place. There's also little recessed rubber buffers here to stop it sliding down the wall. And similarly on the bottom, we also have little rubber buffers. So if we're putting it on a surface, high gloss, granite, anything like that, it means it's not going to scratch it. In the base, you'll also notice two machine screw holes. This enables us to fix them to tripods or stands. So whether it's a large fixing or a small fixing, as you can see, easy to screw on and to use. As you'd expect from DEWALT, everything is guaranteed tough. Even the DCE088, it's all rubber over moulded, it's all sturdy, it's all protected. It's even drop tested for 2 meters, and it's also IP65 rated. Now, these are instruments in here, and they have pendulums and swinging around. So if you imagine in transit, moving around, it could cause some damage. So on the front here, we have a pendulum lock. Very useful for protecting it. So you can spin it around, it's not going to cause any damage. So as well as being tough, it's also exceptionally easy to use. It's just a simple two button operation. We have one for the vertical line, press it once for on or off, and the same with the horizontal. So we can use them either individually or collectively, whatever you want. So if we have them both switched on and we're using it, the easiest way to override it or switch it down is switch the pendulum lock. As soon as you switch that lock, that's secured the pendulums, that's secured all the prisms and switched everything off, safe and ready to go back into the box. Some of you guys who currently use the DEWALT might actually use it in conjunction with the receiver. So we switch it on, as you can see with the existing 088 red line laser, the receiver works. Very accurate, very useful. But you're pleased to know that the new 10.8 volt version as well also operates with the receiver.